Okay, so I wanted to give you an idea of an augmented reality implementation, give you a sense of that. So let me find the AR app. And so you can basically put anything that you can imagine into the real world. The cost and the scope of an operation like that or a project like that depends in many ways on the complexity of the models, right? Not just on building the apps or the environment, but on the complexity of the models, because that's where a lot of the work goes. So I want to show you. Let me load the app. And so, this is our branded app, but this could be anything. So people could download an app very easily from the App Store, Android or iPhone. And then let's put something in live view. So I'm moving my device across the floor. So the AR app is trying to determine where the floor is. It just did that just by waving my phone around. And let's put a chair here. Let's take this, for example. There you go. It's gonna boom. Okay. So I've just put an augmented reality chair. So if you're a furniture designer, furniture company, again, it can be anything, right? So I've just put that chair into the room, and as you can see in the background, my own home is perfectly represented. So it's all in context. I can scale that chair, make it a little bit more realistic. I can rotate it, right? So you see, so I can give myself an idea of what this chair would look like in my environment. Obviously, in a real deployment, you could set the scale of the chair to represent reality, because the app already scans the perspective and the size of the room. But in this case, I wanted to show you how you can also scale stuff and move it around. But not just that, I can also, for example, change the fabric of this chair. So there are a number of operations you can perform on the surface level of an object. It's called skinning. So I can give it a different skin, as you can imagine. What it does is this. So I want to see what the blue chair, actually I like this tangerine, so that's what it looks like. Again, I can move it around and spin it like that. And so AR has come a long way. So what I want to do is I'll walk closer now to the chair, and even though this is not rendered at its top quality, you can already see how good that really is, right? So I'm zooming into it now. So it's like I'm standing close to the chair, and hopefully you can see, like I can even see the detail in the upholstery of the chair, right? You can sort of look around that in any sort of perspective that I like. Again, I can scale it, I can move it around, put it somewhere else in the household. So, there's a whole range of things that you can do in AR, and I hope this quick little example gives you an idea of what that could look like.